Hi, I'm Mrs. Mackey, and I'm one of the pre-algebra teachers here at SOAR Prep. The best way to reach me is through email. You can do that either through my email address listed below, or you can use the link in PowerSchool just to email the teachers, and you can contact me that way. Please encourage your students to keep all of their notes, assignments, and quizzes this year. Don't let them throw things away. They don't have to keep them all in their notebook at one time. They should have their current work with them. So whatever the current chapter is, the other things can be left at home or I have a place in the classroom where they can leave them until they need them. But we do periodically go through and review and go back and look at them. So it is important that they have access to it. Our pre-algebra class may look a little bit different than previous classes your child has been in. Instead of being taught through direct lecture as a traditional math classes, we use investigations and explorations to help the students learn and discover how math works in the world around them to try to build that background and intuition about how things are. They'll be solving problems together on group whiteboards. They will be watching videos that I create to take notes. They'll be doing practicing on a few different websites. A lot of it will be a combination of paper and digital. They are allowed to retake tests and quizzes, so anything they don't get 100% on, they can retake. There is a procedure where they have to do corrections first. And right now, I'm offering retakes Wednesday after school and Fridays at lunch. So they can come either of those two times. Those dates could change depending on if I have a meeting or something that I have to go to. I have additional resources to help support their learning at my website, mrsmackey.com. There are two different links when you get there. One is for my first period class and the other one's for second. The two classes are have different curriculums. Even though they're both called pre-algebra, they're not the same class. So it is important to know which class your child is in, first or second period. Okay. Um, Another thing that might be a little bit different is I have what are called leveled activities. I am grouping all the activities we do for one lesson into one assignment. And in Google Classroom, it looks similar to what's inside the red box. This is for one particular lesson, and there are um, several different activities we're doing. Things that are listed as must do are the beginning foundation level activities that they need to understand to be successful. After that, the should do and aspire to do deepen their understanding and knowledge on the topic. They do increase the students' grades. So if you notice, must do, since it's minimal, it's foundational, that is a C grade. And they need to go above that to be earning higher grades. So it really is up to your child on how hard they're going to work and what kind of grades they're going to get on their activities, which is separate from the quizzes. Here's an example of a page on the website for one of the lessons. It lists the learning path, which are all the activities. It has the paper for the notes, which the students have in a packet, but if they lose them, there's another copy that can be printed. It has the video for that note, and then the answers for the practice problems. Underneath it, it includes the textbook pages, additional videos, pictures, things that are just meant to kind of help and deepen their understanding if they have a confusion. So the first place students should go if they're working on things at home and they don't understand is right here because there are additional resources. And if they still have additional questions when they're at home, they can use our live tutors available through PowerSchool. And I've shown all students how to get there. And if that is still not enough, of course, they're always welcome to ask me during class. Many math questions are hard to answer in an email, but if they email me to let me know they have a question, I'll be happy to touch in with them when I see them in class. This is Mrs. Mackey saying TTFN, ta-ta for now, and I look forward to having a great year with your students.